about a homeowner association is these are long-term contracts, right? You're not getting owners that are going to sell their homes in a few years. You're getting long-term contracts, great revenue. These contracts are maybe 1 year, maybe 2, maybe 3, but realistically, they're going to stick around for 10 years. And the large dollar amounts that you can make per association is very telling.
When we started this, I had no clue about HOAs, association management. Never even thought of it. Didn't know anything about it. However, I had managed apartment complexes and been on condo boards in the past because I personally own some condos, so I knew a little bit about it. But yeah, I never dreamed that's something I would be doing. So it really added another avenue for us with our franchise, with the HOA management side of it. And we've grown that substantially. We are currently managing 12 HOAs, a total of about 1,500 doors. We're in negotiations with several more right now that's going to put us over the 2,000 door mark. So it's been a nice addition to our franchise.
HOAs, homeowner associations, and management. For many years we've dabbled and struggled, and becoming part of the PMI franchise, the HOA pillar was actually one of the key reasons because of the software, the programming, and the focus on this vertical was there. Now with full integration and a software system, it's a phenomenal part. It's a great way to increase revenues with a very efficient platform.